Okay, just bought a new house. This wash machine and dryer came as a set with it, even though I have two extra washers, a front loader and a top loader, and an extra dryer. But today I wanted to check this one out because it's not working. As you can see, the clothes have been sitting there for 2 days. I've been too busy packing and unpacking. I gotta clean this washer. As you can see, it's a mess. I've got it pulled out. I wanted to check if you want to know how I did that. These slide. I've taken out some of the screws, got them over there. Just a little quick. It's pretty late at night. I didn't feel like going out to the shed to get all my tools. I'm going to leave it unplugged for 3 minutes. I wanted to go in the back, take the cover off, just to check it. And I don't recommend doing that, guys. What I do recommend is the reset. There's a common reset for these Whirlpools. It's just not working for this one. I'm praying it's not the motherboard because they're about $300 with shipping. So basically it works like this. Leave it unplugged. Some guys recommend a minute. I say 3 minutes, leave it unplugged, then plug it back in. Go once to the left, then spin it around 3 times. That's 1, 2, 3, left, right. And then these lights will come up. You're trying to get to, I believe it's either rinse or spin. I'm not sure. Spin or rinse. I'm not sure. But you'll spin the dial to this little light lights up to one of those. I'll come back and show you how that works. Hope that you stay tuned. Let's see if it works. Meanwhile, I'm going to put the screws back in because I just wanted to go in there and check to make sure it wasn't this actual switch. These switches can go bad on a lot of different models. I wanted to make sure it wasn't that switch. I've already checked it. It's good. That's the easiest way to get to it in case you want to know if you have this model. And these slide forward and lock back in. And then you just put the little appropriate screws back in. No big deal. Like I said, I don't recommend you taking off the back unless you've unplugged it and you know what you're doing. I just want to tell you about the calibration and resetting on these Whirlpools. Something real simple. I'm not a big fan of these. There's a lot of wash and dryers I'm not fans of. But stay tuned. Part 2 will be coming up in just a few seconds.